Hey sophomores, how you doing? It's me, Mr. Wood. If you're wondering where I am right now, I am not in school because I am out somewhere right now knocking on doors, trying to get people out to vote. So I'm doing that today, taking a day, and I'm just going to try to do, one part to do my part for the election. So let's get to what you are doing today. We have an awesome substitute who's here to help us out. So we're going to start off today with reading because it's Tuesday. So if you don't have a book yet, don't get up quite yet, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go, you're going to get your book, and we're going to have the two people who normally collect the reading logs. If they can go back and grab the folders and pass the boys out and pass the girls out all the reading logs, well, that would be awesome. A couple more things before we get to books today. I'm going to be talking to the sub as well, and the substitute has our seating chart, all your names and all that stuff. It's all good. The plan is today is I want to give you all 4.0 for engagement if possible. So I'm going to assume that you are being the awesome, great students that you always are, and that you are reading this entire time. And if I don't get any note or anything saying that you did differently, I'm going to give you a 4.0 for engagement today. All right? So here's what we're going to do. Go back and go get your book and start reading for 20 minutes. And our two people who normally collect the folders, if you could pass those out, that would be awesome. And our substitute teacher right now is going to close this and put up the online timer. And we're just going to put it for 25 minutes. By the time you get sat down and everything, it'll probably be 20 minutes of reading. So write down 20 minutes of reading and put down today's date, which is November 6th. Okay? So go ahead, pause this, and put up that timer. All right, everybody, for the rest of class, here is what we are going to do. Our paper on American civilizations is due today at 11:59 p.m. Needs to be turned in. So we are in Lab 3. So in a minute, just a minute here, we're going to walk to Lab 3. You may log on. If you are not done typing, you may continue typing your 2 paragraphs. If you are done, you may go to turnitin.com and turn those in under Rise and Fall of American Civilizations. You can turn it in right there. Also, our 4.0 option, basically our points for our online discussion are here as well. You can find those under Classical American Civilization. Comment on that. If you haven't done it yet, you can do that right now as well. That is also due at 11:59. You're going to turn your packets in tomorrow. So go ahead. Get up, we can go to the lab, the substitute can pause this, and you guys can work in the lab for the rest of the time, Lab 3 for our class. All right, let's go.